With the start of the new year, it is finally time for us to get prepared, reset, and do everything we need to start the year off fresh. Whether you are looking for motivation or you just need someone to get started and get prepared for the new year, this video is for you. So make sure to subscribe to the bell so you don't miss another one of my videos, and that way you're instantly part of the Angels team. And let's get into everything that I'm going to do to get ready for 2026. So when the new year comes around, you don't want to think new year, new me, because that's not going to work. You don't just wake up in the morning and think, I'm going to be a new person. No, we got to take some action steps. So first things first is you're going to make a to-do list of everything that you want to accomplish before the new year, everything you're going to do to set yourself up so that you're going to be prepared for that new year. And it's not going to be like, wake up January 1st and I am a new me. I personally think that is a scam. You are going to need so many goals and action steps to get to where you want to be. If you didn't watch my last video, which was my goal setting video of my index cards, I will link it in the eye. That video is probably my favorite one to film of the year, because I just love making goals and hopefully achieving them, and index cards are just a lot better than a vision board. So first thing we're gonna do is clean. I feel like I always clean in my videos, but I genuinely feel like that is relatable, because we're always needing to clean. We're always needing to reorganize our lives and get our lives back together. Not everything is linear. So if you are looking for motivation to clean, get up right now. I mean, this is your time to do this. Get up right now and go clean, and we can clean together, and you can have me in the background, and that way we'll just be cleaning together. First things I like to do is put everything back where it goes. My goal for the new year as far as cleaning is to keep everything organized. And by doing that, I want to make sure that I put everything in the correct spot the first time. And if that doesn't happen, do a weekly reset type of situation. I've gotten a lot of you guys saying just to maybe do weekly resets instead of monthly ones, and that might help me stay organized. I am a pretty organized person, but I feel like whenever my life gets super stressful, I just can't stay organized. So, and I especially think with the end of the new year, with the rush of I celebrate Christmas whether you do or don't, just the end of the year, I feel like there's just this rush of I need to get all these things done, and this is your sign to calm down and gently get into changing for the new year and making yourself, just becoming the best version of yourself. That's what you need to do. You don't need to be a good person. Not a good person, a new person. You need to become the better version of yourself. Another thing that I've been doing is I've been going to the library a lot. I love going to the library, and I've been getting all these books to kind of motivate me to read. I feel like this year was a very bad reading year for me because I was just constantly in a book slump, but I think I'm finally getting into the groove of things, because I realized that if I replace my TikTok watching time with reading, then I actually get to read things. I was reading a lot of books. I think I read there was a time where I was reading a book a week, and I loved that. So I want to continue that into the next year. See what I mean? Slowly incorporating things that you want to do in the year. Here's my current TBR. These are all the books I have from the library. You have the last 2 books of the Inheritance Game, some Spanish books. I do have Dracula in there. But yeah, here's the before of my bookcase. I decided to redo it because, again, I don't know, I just felt like it was getting dusty, and I couldn't fit these nonfiction books that I have gotten, like the Let Them theory, and one of them was a textbook that I had for my one of my anthropology classes. It was Fresh Fruit, Broken Bodies. I actually really loved that book, and I decided to keep it so that I will have that memory of that book, and I tabbed it up a lot so I can look back at it. If you have a bookcase, or if you just need to reorganize something in your room, come on now, guys, let's do this. I feel like I didn't really reorganize too many things. I just condensed a lot because I feel like I had a lot of empty space. I kind of forget how much can fit in this bookshelf or this rotating bookcase, but I had so much empty space, it was ridiculous. So I definitely needed to first off clean it and condense. I also only keep books that I love, like my holy grail. I love these books, I want to talk about them all the time. If I don't like a book, or I think it's it's okay, I try to get rid of them. Or I've been trying to go to the library more, because truly I don't need more books. Which this actually leads me into my another goal of mine for the new year is to save more money and spend less. And one of the things I'm going to be incorporating is going to the library first when I want a book and reading it, making sure that I actually like it before I think that I should buy it. I also just don't want to buy books in this new year. I know it's going to be hard because anytime I see like a good thriller, fun fact, my favorite genre are murder mystery thrillers, and I'm kind of getting into fantasy right now, or romantasy. I just can't be reading like your typical romance books. Like I just don't think they're my cup of tea personally. But I've just been really loving reading as like a hobby and getting into it, and I also find that it really helps my mental health to like read before bed and not be on my phone, because I feel like I get so addicted to like scrolling. And if you relate to that, let me know in the comments too. But I feel like there's times where I'm like doom scrolling instead of doing anything else that's being productive. So when I'm reading, I feel like I'm being productive, and I think I just mentally am better. And I just think there's a lot of negativity right now in the world. So I just need to like click off sometimes. As far as reorganizing this, as I mentioned, I didn't really organize it too much. It was just condensing. I really smushed together my books. I did get rid of some books, and I'll show you which ones I'm unhauling. But I feel like most of the books that I have right now are books that I love, and I do see myself like picking up and like I don't know, looking through my tabs or something again. So just something to think about. And I also did get 2 books for Christmas, and I also got a gift card to Barnes and Noble. So if you guys want to see like a little shopping or bookish, I started a new series called Bookish Sundays, where I do just like bookish things. Let me know if you watched the last episode of that, which was the first episode. I really like that series because I just love reading, and I feel like it motivates me to read more. So let me know in the comments what type of videos you want to see in 2026, because I am here to like make videos that you want to see, as long as they're videos that I want to make. So kind of selfish of me, but yeah, here's how my bookcase turned out. I actually really liked how it turned out. I feel like everything just looks neater and more condensed, and then now I have the bottom section to put whatever I want, which is really nice. Here are the books that I'm unhauling. I really only have like 5 books. I have Snow Falling, The Hating Game, Everything, The Face of the Sun, and this book that was one of my textbooks, Race and Real Estate and everything in between. Here's my room after Christmas. So I actually filmed part of this before Christmas and then part of it after Christmas. So here's me cleaning up like all my Christmas presents and putting things where they go. My favorite Christmas gift that I got was the Shark Glam blow dryer, because I do my own hair. I have curly hair, but I don't like it, so I straighten it. Say what you want about that, but that was my favorite. I'm going to be sharing it with my mom though, because she got it for me, but we're going to be sharing it because it's really expensive. So and I just think, sharing is caring. I'm really excited to use that. So if you've used the Shark Lamb, let me know what you think, and also let me know what are some favorite things that you've gotten for Christmas if you celebrate it, because I love to know. And here we are checking things off the to-do list. This is my favorite thing about doing anything, is checking things off the to-do list. The next thing is going to be updating my Notion. I have had the same theme for a while. I'm not going to go super in depth on like the dashboard setup. I'm really just going to be updating it. So if you want a whole Notion setup video, please let me know, because I'm not going to be able to know unless you tell me. So I decided this year I'm going to go with a green theme. I feel like green is just very like uplifting and hopeful. I don't know, was green my color last year? I don't know. My overall motto for this year, I read the Let Them theory, so my motto for 2026 is going to be let them and let me. The whole thing with that is let them just means stop letting other people take up your energy, because your energy is expensive. Simple as that. So let people do what they want to do. Don't feel that you need to control them in any way, because you truly cannot. Someone will want to change if they want to change on their own. And I honestly highly recommend the Let Them theory. I think I gave it like a 4.25, and I really loved the book. I don't know, 4.25, 4.5. Here's the thing, I don't really read nonfiction, so I really didn't know what to rate it, but I did really like it. So, I don't know. And obviously I liked it because I'm making it my motto. So that's why I made everything green, because I decided that this year I'm gonna try to let go of letting other people dictate my life and my happiness and focus more on myself. Which sounds conceited, but self-care and self-love is a big thing. I even changed the photos for my dashboard. Guys, I haven't done this in forever. I have not changed the photos on my dashboard in forever. Another thing is dieting. So I want to focus more this year, not on I feel like I always focus on losing weight. That's just the thing for me, I guess. But I want to focus more on nourishing my body. I decided to do the Mediterranean diet because it's just overall, I think Mayo Clinic and doctors, that's the highest recommended diet, Mediterranean. So I had just a time where I was searching what you need to do for the Mediterranean diet, and I came up with this spread and database. So my meal database is going to be where I keep all the recipes, and I really love how this turned out. So the goal is just to make recipes that I truly love, and I'm nourishing my body and not focusing on overeating or losing weight, and not really restricting but more nourishing, which hopefully works for me. On to scrapbooking. I have just been getting into my hobbies. This audiobook that I'm listening is the Frida McFadden, The Widow, I don't remember what it's called, update on that one. I finished it while scrapbooking, fun fact, and I hated that book. I gave it a 1-star rating. You can follow me on Fable, actually. I'm pretty sure it's just at Sitting Angel, and I love, again, tracking things on Fable. I think it's so much better than Goodreads, my personal opinion. But as far as scrapbooking, so I made this scrapbook over the summer and I never filled it in. And I realized that was a big mistake because I had over 100 photos that I printed out. Look how thick that is. Of things that I've done this year, 2025, looking back, let's reflect together, was a really good year for me, socially, and I feel accomplishments, not accomplishments, I didn't accomplish that much. I just feel I had a good year. I had a good time. I had a pretty good year. And I truly can't complain. I really cannot. So I did so many things that I'm okay, let me scrapbook them. Guys, I'm still not finished updating it for the year. So hopefully I finish it at some point before 2026. If not, we're starting off the new year with a half-finished scrapbook. I don't really know. But the next thing is coloring. The reason I am including all these hobbies is because I think it is important to reinstill hobbies that you love before the new year so that you come in with a peace of mind. So I love scrapbooking. I love coloring. These are things that are just mindless, I want to say, mindless tasks, but truly help me stress relieve. I've only colored a couple pages. I got this off of Amazon, the stress relief one, and I really like how big everything is, so I decided to do the flower shop. Oh my gosh, guys, I love this page so much. It's so cute. But I think taking time to find hobbies that you like is going to be really important for just your mental health, your self-peace. Can you tell that I'm trying to focus on improving myself as a person in this new year, becoming the best version of myself, and just trying to do everything and preparing so that I have the best year possible. Again, don't want to make a brand new me. I don't think that is possible. I think you can work towards becoming a better you, but you're going to need action steps. And again, if you not to promote myself again, but if you want to see me planning out my life and my goals for next year, I did do an index cards vision board. So instead of a vision board, I do them on index cards. That whole thing is explained in my last video, so check it out if you want to. But my goal for 2026, as far as you lovely people and my YouTube channel, is to continue posting as much as possible. I definitely want to post videos that you guys will like and that you guys will watch, and just kind of grow our community even more, because I love you guys. We've created such a small little cute really loving community, and I want to keep that, and hopefully we'll find more people that will also bring that love and support. So I wanted to end the year off by saying thank you so much for watching my videos. I really do love you guys so much, and I'm so grateful for each and every single one of you, whether you are a silent watcher, you've never commented on my videos. I totally understand, because I'm a silent watcher, or you comment on every single one of my videos, or you comment on every other video. I literally don't care. I love you guys all individually, and know that you guys have a very special place in my heart. I do think of YouTube as a hobby. It's not a job for me. I do it because I love it, and I want to continue that in 2026. And I'm saying this because this is the last video of 2025, so I felt like I needed to end the year off saying that, and know that you guys are truly appreciated, and no matter what you're going through, you always have a safe and loving place to come. So that's that's all I wanted to say before I get emotional. But yeah, back to the hobbies part. I think just having hobbies is really fun because it like you have a time where you're like, this is my me time to just be creative. And if you're not creative, there's just so many hobbies you can do that are not in creative. But let's end the night reading. I'm currently reading The Alchemist. I got this for Christmas, and I've honestly been liking it a lot. So yeah, I ended the night reading. I didn't finish the book, but I did read like a couple pages. Again, I really like the way my mental health is when I finish the night reading. So that's just me personally, and you could probably incorporate that too. But that is everything that I am doing to prepare for 2026. Please let me know what you're doing to prepare for 2026. Again, I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for an amazing year. We grew tremendously. It is crazy how much we grew this year, and I'm so grateful for all of you. So again, but if this is the first video you're watching from me, please stay a while. Make sure to subscribe to the bell so you know it's another one of my videos, and stay tuned until next Sunday's video because it's the first video of 2026, and I love you guys so much. Thank you for all your support. But yeah, stay tuned until next Sunday's video because I promise you guys it will be an amazing one. Bye, angels.